everybody. So I know it's strange you get to see my face. So I've been taking a little break from the crochet biz for the last couple days because of Christmas time, but I wanted to shoot a quick video just because my December KnitCrate box or bag came right before Christmas time started. So I was going to do just a quick video to show you what was in that. But first, a couple updates. 2 months ago my yarn came. Then I made this hat. It is in testing right now, so it'll be coming your way this month. And last month's box, I got 4 mini skeins, and so I made these fingerless gloves. I'm going to call them the Seaside mitts. So these will be heading to testers soon, and they'll be coming your way in February. And I have enough yarn left over that I think I'm probably going to be able to make a hat to match them. So stay tuned for that. I love the spike stitch. I've used it in several patterns. It's always kind of a favorite. Okay, but without further ado, we've got a bag to open. I'm excited to see. As usual, I did the option where they just send me whatever colorway they want, so I have no idea what colorway I'm getting. I haven't looked that up yet. Alright, let's see. Squad goals. It's kind of a weird theme in my opinion, but whatever, it's cool. I like the colors. Alright, my bonus is a little bag. It says Yarn the Squad, crochet hook and a knitting needle. Hey, I like that representation, right? There's usually just knitting needles. We got a crochet hook for once. Okay, Yarn Squad. I don't know what I'm going to use that for, but I guess probably yarn, because what else do I use anything for? And my yarn, Audine Wool's Twinkle DK by KnitCrate. We got 80% merino wool, 10% cashmere, 10% stellina, 250 yards, so it's just worsted. Okay, so the stellina is what's giving it that little bit of sparkle. And it's this pretty lavender color. I got 2 skeins of this, so that's really fun. I'm not sure what I'm going to make with this yet. You never know. Surprise is coming. Okay, so that is my December KnitCrate, and I can't show you the patterns because I get the eco bag, so I don't get the printed booklet, so I have to go online to see the patterns. But I don't usually use them anyway, so it doesn't really matter to me. Alright, so that is our December KnitCrate. 2 skeins of this pretty sparkly purple yarn. My son's favorite color is purple, so I predict him coming down here and saying, "That's my yarn, make me something," but I don't really want to make him something with my pretty purple sparkly yarn, so who knows. Last month's KnitCrate yarn turned into fingerless gloves. The month before, hat. I have a feeling I'm just going to get really good at making small projects because I always have like 2 skeins of yarn. You can't really make a sweater with 2 skeins of yarn. So it's a challenge, but it's fun. And I hope you guys all had a very Merry Christmas, and here's to saying goodbye to 2020. Yes, no more 2020. This year sucks. Okay. That's almost all. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's a link in the description for KnitCrate if you want to give them a try. And that's all. Happy crocheting.